everybody. I haven't done one of these on this channel, but I'm gonna do like an unboxing and build of the Skymarks Boeing 737 MAX in the American Airlines scheme. So the 737 MAX was actually grounded globally between March 2019 and December of 2020. It's quite a long time. It was grounded because there were two similar crashes within 5 months of each other that killed a total of 346 people. They were due to a faulty new automated system that noses the plane down. It's called the MCAS. For some reason, I can't get this motor on here. There we go. But they have since fixed all their issues and all that stuff. There was a lot going on with the FAA and all kinds of stuff. So in 2025, there's been no major incidents reported, other than there was a landing gear fire upon takeoff in Denver. That was the only incidents in the U.S., and then there was actually one of these shot down in Sudan. I don't know why. I didn't get that information for you guys, but I did see that there was one shot down. It's pretty terrible. I don't know if it's a military thing or what, but some of you may know that you may have heard of the January of 2024, the mid-cabin door blew open in Alaska Airlines. That was a Boeing 737 MAX. So there's been a few issues since it came out, but it's looking like it's quite a safe airplane now. The FAA inspects the progress on Boeing's new planes being built in Washington quite often, so they're making sure that Boeing's sticking with all the safety protocols and all that stuff. So this is the plane that my wife and I rode on from JFK to Bridgetown, Barbados, and it was my first, truth be told, my very first ever plane ride. That might sound crazy, given that, I mean, as you've seen this channel, I'm hugely into aviation, but I was always too scared to actually get on a plane, and I finally, my fiance at the time, wife now, convinced me to get on one for our honeymoon, and it was so worth it. I ended up freaking loving it. So now I just can't wait for the next flight. And somewhere down here, I'm going to write Barbados 2025. And I'll, ultimately end up having a collection of planes modeled after ones that we've flown in and different trips together. I just thought that'd be kind of cool given my interest here. So she collects stickers from every place that she visits and she puts them on her suitcase. This will kind of be my thing. So here we have our completed model from Skymarks of the Boeing 737 MAX. And it's the 1 to 130 scale. So it's a pretty good size. This is, I believe, 13 inches long. So thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one. I have another one coming in about a week that's down the pipeline.